I made this cabinet from my table saw. It's got 5 drawers, space on the top for a crosscut sled, and on the back there's 2 cabinet doors. The dimensions are 32 by 32 by 22. I started by cutting out the 4 pieces that'll make the shell of the cabinet. I'll temporarily use glue and nails to hold it, and then secure it using a few screws on each side. For the drawer boxes, I'll start by ripping a piece of plywood into 92-inch strips, and then cross-cutting those pieces to size. After I have all the pieces cut out, I'll lower the blade to 3/8 and cut a groove about 1/2 inch from the side. After I've done that on all the cuts, I'll tap the fence over to make the groove wider until it fits a 1/4 inch piece of plywood. Then for each box, take a shorter piece and raise the blade all the way up. This is optional, but it makes it so that the drawer bottom is replaceable. For the drawer bottoms, measure the inside dimensions of the box and add about 1/2 inch to the length and width. This will leave enough room for expansion and contraction. Configure your drawer like this so that the nails go in sideways to the direction you'll be pulling. Glue and nail the pieces with the grooves together. And if you did it right, the 1/4 inch ply should fit inside. Flip it and attach the piece with no groove on top. Flip it again and attach the bottom to that piece. Next is to install the drawer slides. Take these pieces out of the slide and attach them to the side of the drawer. Next, cut the false fronts for the drawers. I used veneer plywood. When installing the false fronts, try to line the grain up. You'll see what I mean at the end. I just screwed them on from the inside and used coins as spacing. After that, I installed 1/4 inch backing behind the drawers. Finally, I attached the caster wheels and put it under the table saw. You'll notice I left a 4-inch gap for a crosscut sled. I think the grain turned out really cool on the false fronts. Also, I really like the 1/2 inch deep drawer on the top.